Hey guys, it's Kristina. So today I have a huge unboxing haul. As you can see, there's a ton of boxes around me. I've gotten this mail to my PO box recently, but I also moved, so there's like a ton more over there. But I'm just gonna do these for now because I don't want this video to be super long. But I will list my PO box down below for you guys. I have a new one because it just moved houses, so it's a new location. But if you want to send me any letters and say hi, that would be really awesome. But I will definitely show you out, and I want to do some sort of like video kind of answering questions if you want to send me mail, or like, I don't know, like something like that. I think that would be really fun, or incorporate that into my vlogs, which I want to start doing vlogs really badly. So anyways, but I always do a bunch of unboxings also on my stories on Instagram, so if you guys want to follow me on there, it's K through Chocolate, like it is on everything else, like Twitch, Facebook, Musically, YouNow. I started streaming on there, so add me on there. I do my Zumba classes. If I go to the gym, I stream on YouNow, but I want to start doing my own classes online, so I'm not sure where I'll post that. Probably on IGTV on Instagram, I'm thinking, so I don't know yet, but definitely add me on there. These boxes I haven't opened yet, but the one I did open today was my BoxyCharm because I really wanted to do it for my Instagram story and also to try out any makeup that came with it. So I tried out the shadows, and that's what I'm wearing in my eyes right now. For the highlight, I did use my regular highlight that I put, bam, from Ofra, but this is the palette that I used on my eyes. This is from Crown. Love the warm shades, the neutrals. There's shimmers, there's mattes. I love how big, like, BoxyCharm always does full-size products. I love them. And then we also got this blush from Notes, which I have not tried yet. I only tried the shadow and the brow stuff, but I also mix it with a little bit of a darker shade that I have from Benefits. But I want to do like a little mini video on this BoxyCharm on my Instagram. There's also like a little brush on the bottom, so I want to do the video on there, so definitely add me on Instagram. Then we have this Cella brow cream. So basically you have the brush on one end and then the cream on this side, which I did try it out today, and it looks very natural on me. This is the taupe color, so it's basically universal for, you know, it's like not too warm, not too cool. It's for everybody, unless you want a darker shade, which is why I kind of had to mix it a little bit with my Benefit Kurribarres, which is number 3, I believe. Yeah, but otherwise I love the product. It's very smooth, natural looking, and I have a Cella discount actually, so I will put it right here. It's Kristina 20 lowercase. Give you 20% off anything on their website. Then I have this Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. This is from Ventura Blvd. Love the gold packaging, really cute. And then last but not least, we have the Dr. Brand Needles No More Baggage Eye Cream, which I have not tried this either. Actually, it's a depuffing gel, not an eye cream, sorry. But that's really cool. I want to try all of these and film. So watch out for that video on my Instagram. But overall, I was super happy with the box, and there's a little price breakdown. So the box is $20 a month, as you guys know. If you didn't, now you know. It's really inexpensive for what you get. So the eye gel was $42. The eyeshadow palette is $30. The mascara is $24, the blush is $12, and then the brow cream is $26. So you get a lot for your buck, basically, for $20 a month, and they're full size. You can't beat that. So I will link BoxyCharm for you guys in the info box. So definitely sign up if you haven't yet. I think it beats pretty much any other box. I've tried a lot of them out there, and this is the one that I stick with still. Then we have this from Pop Beauty, Be the Showstopper with our Topper Popper. Their packaging is always so adorable. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love it. This little baggie with their lippies. So these are their new metallic lip stains. They're smudge proof and long lasting. Love it, and it's cruelty free. Yes. So there are 6 shades total. I think I want to do like a little swatch video on Instagram, like a lip swatch. I think that would be really cute. We've got cream popper, violet popper, pink popper, red popper, copper popper, and peach popper. And you can see the shades here. Oh my god, these are so cute. They even included little stickers. How adorable is this? There's like little Pop Beauty ones, and then there's like little alphabets, so you can just make your own. It says hashtag make it pop wherever you go. Yes, girlfriend. Pop Beauty, you know how to package things. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so then we have this huge package. So I will link Pop Beauty for you guys down below in the info box, especially their new popper lipsticks. But watch out for the video. I definitely wanted to do the lip swatch video for you guys, so watch out for that on my Instagram, and check out the info box down below. So then next we have this huge package. It says open before July 4th and it's already been past that, so because it got rerouted because it was sent to my old address and then I had to reroute it to my new one and I didn't get it till later, and then I was moving in here and you know I went to Virginia for a week, so I wasn't here like basically right after July 4th. I left for a week to go to Virginia, so it's been like all over the place, and now I just got back. I'm moving in. Yeah, I wish I opened this before. Oh my god, this is adorable. This is a little like fanny pack for July 4th. You guys, this is so cute. What do you call these things? Little fans? I don't know. They're so cute. And you get a glow stick. Yes. It's a necklace. They always have the best stuff, literally. They always think of everything. Ooh, Bye Bye Pores Illumination Airbrush Pressed Powder. You guys, I actually need a new powder. I literally was on my vacation in Virginia and I didn't bring a powder with me, and I was like, what do I gotta do? I have like nothing, so I bought a little like $3 something from like a local like pharmacy. It wasn't even like a CVS, it was just like random. You gotta do what you gotta do. This is just this, so it doesn't have a color, but it's supposed to be a radiant translucent powder, so it's for every skin tone because it's translucent, duh, but it's also going to make you radiant and glowy. And then they sent this cool brush. So this is the Superstar Flawless Foundation brush, and actually it's got a really cool, like it's literally shaped like a star. Do you guys see that? How cool is this? It Cosmetics always has like the best stuff. And the handle, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like iridescence color. It's like purpley but green. Like it's really cool. I love it. Like, thank you Cosmetics, this is awesome. And they also included some little stickers. Super cute. So I will link A Cosmetics for you guys down below. I feel like a fairy godmother. So check them out. Then we have a package from Derma E. Yes, these are my favorites, literally. So this is the Derma E Vitamin C Micellar Cleansing Water. I love this stuff. I literally have been through probably like 3 of these at least. So basically I just take this on a cotton round, soak my makeup, just rub it all over, and it cleanses your skin perfectly. It's like so amazing. It's not greasy, it takes everything off. I don't have any like reaction to it. I don't have super sensitive skin, but I've never had a reaction to it. It just feels good, takes everything off. You can put this also into like a little container for travel, so I love that. And it has probiotics and Ruibos. That. And then we have the overnight peel, and this is basically like a facial exfoliant. So you just put this on, it's clear, and it kind of gives you a peel overnight. So you just sleep with it on, and then you wake up and it like just makes it look younger and fresh. So they're both also really cool gifts for pretty much anyone, like any age. You can give this to your mom, you can give this to like your girlfriend, your sister, anyone. So I think I love Derma E, and I love how they're 100% cruelty free, natural and vegan, so definitely check them out. I'll link them down below as well. Then I've got this, okay, then I have this really pretty box from Elemis, and this is a really cool skincare brand. So there's a bunch of products, but there's also this cute little headband with my name on it. You just wear it as you do your makeup. It's so thoughtful. So first we have this Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. It's huge, by the way. It's like 3.7 fluid ounces. It's a lot. For fine lines and wrinkles. Deep cleanses, softens, and nourishes. Then also their Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which firms, soothes, and hydrates. Then this is their Pro Collagen Marine Oil to replenish, nourish, and smooth. And everything is for fine lines and wrinkles, which prevention is key at any age. I feel like I always have said that, but it's so true. I was given this advice when I was like 21 to always take care of your skin, take your makeup off, apply moisturizer, don't sleep with your makeup on, and I followed this advice. Started applying like an eye cream, moisturizer always. After this lady told me this, and she literally looked like 10 years younger than her age, but now I feel like people tell me that I do look younger than I am, so I'm like, something must have worked, I don't know. So then we have the makeup remover for eyes and lips, and this is with peony, white tea, and vitamin B. Nice. To cleanse, refresh, and condition. And then these are their eye masks. Pro Collagen Hydrogel eye masks with to soothe, tighten. Literally like to soothe, tighten, and hydrate. Okay, love these. So I'm definitely gonna do like a little mini toot on Instagram for you guys, trying all of these on. So watch out for that, and I will link Elemis for you guys down below in the info box. But I wanted to show you guys this package. So I got this when I went to like a Pilates class with Perlise. It was my first Pilates class ever, which was super nice of them to arrange, so I loved it. I've been so into fitness actually lately, like I said, with my Zumba and everything, but they launched their watermelon sheet masks. These smell so good. I already tried one and they're amazing. I love their sheet masks anyway, but this one in particular, like, I just love it. Moisturizing, soothing, it just, like, it's so good. When I was traveling, like, literally this saved me, so definitely check them out. And also at the same class, Just Fab gave us this super dope fitness outfit. So that's the sports bra and then the little shorts. So cute. So I will definitely link Perlise for you guys down below, and also if you want to check out Just Fab, I will put a link down there as well. Then I have this huge bag from Hask, and this was actually given to us at this full screen party. So these are all hair products. I've already tried one. I pulled one out because I had a double of them. I think we were given one like separately, but it was this leave-in conditioner, and I've been using it every single day, especially since I've been wearing my hair curly. Like, it's been helping a lot, and this smells so good. It's called the Rosé Wine 10-in-1 leave-in spray. Literally smells amazing and makes your hair look great. Then we have the Biotin Boost Thickening Hairspray, then the Chia Seed Volumizing Dry Shampoo, Charcoal Purifying Dry Shampoo, which I think with the charcoal one is a little bit stronger. Then we also have the Charcoal Purifying Shampoo and Purifying Conditioner. I love the packaging on all of these products. I love the colors. It's really, really cool. And they don't have any sulfates or parabens, which is amazing. It's in French, so I'm like surprised. I'm like, wait. I can't like still read it easily, but it like I can't speak it. Like, I took it for like a while in school, like 7 years, but I can't have a conversation that I can read it. I can speak it if I read it, but like if you talk to me, it's just like too fast. But I'm glad I can still read it though. Then this is the Repairing Cream Oil with Argan Oil. So this is a multitasking styler. Actually, this would be really cool for my curly hair now that I start wearing it natural. Like the dry shampoo would have been good when I was wearing it normal, like, you know, style it, like blow dry it, straighten it, whatever. So like the dry shampoo would be good for when I straighten it, if I don't want to wash it again, you know, for 2-3 days or something like that, which we'll see with the fitness thing. It's like so annoying, but because you're sweating all the time. But this will be good for my curly hair. But this will be good for my curly hair. Then we got a second one of them. Then we also have the Chia Seed Oil Volumizing Shampoo and Volumizing Conditioner. And like I said, I love the packaging because you can totally tell the difference with just like the colors. I think it's super cute. Then we have the Keratin Protein Sleek Blow Up Balm. That's actually really cool. Smooths and tames. So that's perfect for me when I blow dry my hair straight. I straighten it because it's curly, so usually it's really poofy. But this is awesome. And then this is the Biotin Boost Thickening Cream. I love the colors in these again. I can't stop. Like, I just love the packaging. Then this is the Macadamia Oil to Hydrate and Protect. Then this is Cactus Water. What? 5-in-1 Leave-in Spray. I actually want to smell this. Refreshing, and it's a very like unisex scent. How to describe it, but it smells so good. What the fuck? Oh God, I almost want to drink it. Like, Prickly Pear Seed Oil. I like all of their stuff. I'm just trying to go through everything quickly so this video is not like 2 hours long. Then this is the Coconut Oil Nourishing Cream Oil. Again, multitasking styler. I'm gonna try all of these out and see how, like, I'm still trying to play around with my hair. I bought a bunch of products when I first started wearing it curly, so I'm still trying to play around with it, see how it takes, what I should put first, what I should put afterwards. So I'm still kind of figuring everything out, but I will try all of these and do like a hair care routine once I get my routine down. So I can do like a hair care routine for my curly hair if you guys want. So let me know in the comments down below. And we have these here. So this is the Hydrating Deep Conditioner, and then this is the Color Protection Deep Conditioner. So once I go and get it lightened again, I just ordered new extensions actually. So once I get those in, I'm gonna, because I had it cut in Virginia, my girl that always cuts my hair, I don't trust nobody with my hair, okay? Like, because people just cut too much, you know, but she knows what she's doing. Like, she knows. So, but I don't want to color it there because I didn't have my new extensions and I want the ends to match. So once I get it colored, that will come in handy, and after that I'll probably do my hair care routine for you guys as well. So once like everything is set in stone, I know what I'm using, I can do that. Then we also have the Repairing Deep Conditioner masks, and these are awesome, especially for curly, poofy, dry hair. Yeah, it says strengthens, restores, and smooths dry, damaged hair. This is what I have. Then we have the Superfruit Deep Conditioner. Ooh, and then this Cabernet Sauvignon Deep Conditioner. Okay, so my camera just stopped recording. It overheated, so I had to take a little break. I was on Instagram doing little unboxings, but I wanted to finish the haul. So these are the last of the products from Hask, and then I just have like one more box. So these are their Superfruit Deep Conditioners, and this is so cute. This is the Cabernet Sauvignon Deep Repair Deep Conditioners, and then Sauvignon Blanc. They don't leave nothing out, like literally. And then last but not least, the Kalahari and Melon Oil Deep Conditioner. So I would definitely check them out. Hask literally has every flavor, every wine of everything that you could ever want for your hair, like for straightening your hair, for curly hair, for deep conditioning. Like literally, I am like set for life basically with that bag. So I think they're really dope. They're also Canadian, which, you know, I'm like, I love Canada. So I will link Hask for you guys down below. Just check out the link in the info box. This is literally like Christmas. Ooh, America's #1 primers. So we have the Beauty Shield SPF 50 Skin Shielding Primer, and I love how like reflective the packaging is. Then we have the Oil Control, which I need. Primer Mist Clear. So it's like a mist. What? Oh yeah, it is. That's really cool actually. I usually see oil control primers be like really thick, almost like to the point where it's like hard to kind of slide on. But this is actually really cool. I'm trying this tomorrow because I already did my makeup today. Then we have this Poreless Face Primer in Clear. And then the last one is the Prep and Hydrate Balm with Shea Vitamin E and Purified Water. I want to focus. It's like that meme. Why though? Why this camera's literally white balance is so off. It's driving me crazy. It's like orange, then it's blue. I'm like, what the fuck? Now it's focusing on the background instead of me. Like, I don't know. You see me? On the main focus. This will help. Oh, we have also a primer mask in here. That's really cool. Better than any photo filter in the App Store. That's really awesome. I love it. So thank you, Elf. These are amazing. I am so excited to try these out. So I'll link Elf for you guys down below in the info box as well. I'm sorry this haul was super long. I tried to include as little boxes as I could, because as you can see, I still have a ton over there. I showed you earlier, like a ton. So we'll save that for another haul, and another haul, and another haul probably. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Thumbs up this video. Leave a comment down below what your favorite thing was, and also follow me on Instagram. I'll be doing little video tutorials with these items, like the primers, like the skincare, the lippies for sure. I want to try to put these out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. All of my socials will be down below, like my Twitter, Facebook, YouNow, Musical.ly, I said Instagram, whatever else I have. I'll put it all down below. If you have any questions about my hair, makeup, I will link everything in the box as well. And I'll see you in my next video.